Today we are going to talk about the AI generative tool of Adobe Illustrator. Well, us designers do find difficulties in finding the best reference for your project. So today I'm going to show you how you can create what you have in your mind in just some seconds. So let's dive right in. Okay, so now we are going to create a new document using this template size. Click on create. For selecting the artboard, we are going to click on Shift+O and we are going to go to this icon and select, and we are going to write a prompt. So we don't really have any style reference. So for the effects, we're going to click on comic book. For the color and tone, we're going to click on vibrant color because for the children who use vibrant colors, hit on generate button and we're going to wait till it creates something for us. As you can see, it has created something, but it's in a small size. So we're going to click on the move button and we're going to
Oh my god.
illustration. Here it is. You can see multiple illustrations here. So I created one this. For more information on this video, please read the captions and don't forget to follow me for more such videos.